Time to focus on business. Our business editor, Mike Eppel, joining us now. Mike, no one seems to know where the price of crude is going to go next.
Yeah, it went up there a little bit here over the past couple of days, hasn't it, Ted? But the fact of the matter is, we're coming off a four-day rally that has seen the price for oil jump by 20% over that time frame. And all this, of course, comes as the prognosticators were saying, oh, oil's got just so much further to drop. It's going to go down to $10 a barrel. And, of course, it does the exact opposite. And then I'm reading various reports this morning and forecasts that here are some reasons why the price for oil might continue to climb. And, of course, it's down this morning. So with all of these forecasts, we've basically learned that, take them for what they are. Predictions, not necessarily what's going to happen. We look at the day-to-day trends and over the course of time and the actual fundamentals of the market. And this morning, oil is down by about 4%. It's back to about $50 a barrel because today the U.S. Department of Energy reports on its supply level through the U.S. pipeline system. And for the past 3 weeks, the weekly update on supply has exceeded forecast by a big margin. So that's, again, what's expected today. Might not happen, or it might. We'll see. The problem here is they're cutting back on shale production in the States. The rigs are being shut down. It takes a while for that to actually filter its way through the supply chain. So, again, volatility is expected. Canadian dollar saw a jump of over a cent yesterday, down by a half a cent this morning, holding at 80 cents U.S. That's $1.25 on your exchange rate. Toyota predicting record earnings. The automaker saying today it's on pace for a yearly profit of $18 billion. Its third quarter results came in above expectations. They saw big sales in January, record results for Toyota Canada, and seeing big valuation gains because the Japanese yen has dropped substantially against the U.S. dollar. General Motors has also reported earnings this morning, and despite all those recalls, 30 million vehicles recalled last year, they still had a very strong quarterly profit, and they're talking about raising the dividend in the second quarter of the year. And Disney, of course, does not want to let it go, and no, I'm not going to sing the song, but Frozen was a huge hit for Disney at the box office and for merchandise retail sales. The company reporting earnings late yesterday, record results. It's all about merchandising, comes back to movies, and of course this summer we've got Marvel's Avengers 2, Age of Ultron, and Star Wars, and these are all Disney properties now. So the company, huge earnings last year, on pace for another big year. Stock opening the day on Wall Street at a record high. And yes, I do have a good singing voice, but no, I'm not going to sing.
We can't convince you, eh, Mike? You're not convinced.
Not at all.
Okay.
Not at all.
Good stuff. Thank you, Mike. That's our business editor, Mike Eppel, reporting this morning. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.